Check out that beast. That's incredible. Wow. Okay, is this sharp? Yeah, all this is sharp edges. Not so much this one, but all this is pretty sharp. Not razor sharp, but definitely all that is sharp enough. And it's a flipper. Let's check this out. Whoa, so smooth. We might have to zoom out a little bit. That knife is huge. I mean, guys, having something like that handmade, that's not the same thing like made junky on eBay, on Amazon. This is handmade. There's a brand of it. Todd Bag USA. This thing is incredibly sharp. I don't even want to touch the blade. Wow. So how do we break it? Looks like there's a frame lock. You pull on that and close it. Wow, so smooth. It's like a machete with the like a guard, but giant spikes over here, 8 of them. And look how smooth that is. I barely have to like flick it. Carbon fiber handle? No, maybe wood. But beautiful. Look at that design. This is just overbuilt knife for sure. It's a thing. I mean, you can call it a machete because you have a hand guard too. That's insane. What would you use it for? Honestly, never know. That would be a cool to have in the collection for sure. This is just such a piece of art. Wow. Let's close it slowly. Look at that. Boom. Definitely gotta keep your fingers off there. It's so smooth. Check this out. Boom. And then it locks in. Doesn't come out. Wow, that's insane. Yeah, one of a kind knife over here for sure. It's huge. That one is quite expensive though. I'll put links in description. You can click on it and find out how much it costs. ArizonaCustomKnives.com presents you another beautiful knife right here, 10 mil. You can even tell this is a knife. Look at this holder. It's so unique. Boom. And how does this work? I have no idea. I do see there is a knife over here, so to me this is like a mystery knife. Let's figure this out, how this works. Yeah, there's not even a bottom. It's definitely OTF. Ooh, that's how you release it back into it. There's a button right here. Wow, are you kidding me? That is cool. Looks like heat treated. That is insane. There's number 115. There's a safety button right here. You press on that, then you pull on that to reset it. That is insane. One of a kind knife, and it locks in. You feel it, and it goes again. Boom. That is a nice pull, and it's a couple inches blade. It just looks like it's homemade. It's so rustic. I love it. One of a kind. Okay, one more time. Do you see that? It's nice, but it's so fun and easy to hold. Like open up boxes. Look at that point right here. Would be fun. Is there a logo? Yeah, there's a logo right here. Never heard of this knife maker, but wow, I'm impressed. Lock it in. Boom. And look at the boxes. So insane. One of a kind for sure. Yeah, I need some of this. You never seen butterfly knife like that. Check this out. There's a little Ballison butterfly knife, but the tip is sticking out, so you'd probably have to keep it in a holster. It didn't come with a holster, but it used. But yeah, it's just like a butterfly knife. Opens, but it's not so fidgety. Pretty stiff. There you go. That's the word I was looking for. Then you close it on this side, lock it all the way. That's also pretty stiff, and you have a really long blade now all of a sudden. Beautiful. You see how handle is short and blade is long, so perfect for cooking and stuff, like while you're camping. But at the same time, if you wanna close it, obviously you'll have to have a holster of some sort. This is high quality, as you can see, a really thick blade. Looks like only sharp on one end, but at the same time they haven't been sharpened heavily yet, so I'd have to sharpen it. It is a little bit sharp, that's it. so that way you can use it while you're camping or small jobs. Just pull it out from the holster. One of a kind knife. Don't you guys think? Have you ever seen a butterfly knife with the exposed, like what, an inch of a blade? That is cool. And then you open it, close it. Look how long that is. Isn't that cool? Definitely one of a kind butterfly knife that you don't see every day. So unique. Yeah, I wish it came with the holster. I guess I can shop around and find one that is appropriate for that one. That I would have to put it this way, take it out, instantly use it without opening it, because you have fixed blade mini knife. So you like utility knife, cut up, open packages, then flip this, open it real quick. Now you have a big knife for cooking, chop up bunch of stuff. Would you use something like that, or just at least keep it in your collection for the weird knives ever? Definitely fits my category. I'm at Arizona Custom Knives. They're letting me film a couple of awesome knives that is for sale right now. This is a Strider, and this one of this collapsible axes. Check this out. So it locks in, and look at that weld, like it's one piece together, meant to be. And there's a Strider logo, huge knife designer that everybody loves. There's a pick, a very sharp pick, high quality. Yeah, this is a razor sharp, like a knife. But yeah, then whenever you want to put it away, you just twist it and close it, boom. Then you have a miniature axe, but it's not very usable because it spins around whenever collapsible. But whenever you bring it camping, it's a lot smaller to carry with you. There's a different shifts, axe shifts you can buy. That's beautiful. Take this out. To close it, kind of just twist the handle and close it, just like one of those buttons. Pretty awesome. That's how easy it is to let it out. Boom. Make sure it's all the way and ready to go chopping wood or whatever. Perfect for camping. And then close it, just twist it and close. Actually, what is in here? Oh wow, there's a little, like a pocket for fire starting and things like that. Whatever you want to put in there. Beautiful. Got it here, V-knife version R. So let's open it up. This thing sells out so fast. Anytime there is a very unique mechanism, usually people really like that a lot. So there you go. What's so special about? Looks like a Demco backlock, except it's very soft and big, so it's totally different. And look at that, it for some reason comes off and you can see this spring inside of it. That is pretty insane. Boom. And obviously you can flick it this way. It's incredibly soft. This one is about $250 knife. I keep pulling it out for no reason. So it definitely takes a little practice how to use it. It completely goes soft. Boom. And to close it, you just push it and close it slowly. So we got right here another one. Sometimes they come without the packaging because a lot of them will be somewhat used, but most of the time they're pretty new, like this one. Even though they call it used, look at that. As long as you don't have any scratches, it's all good. And this is the funny folder. Wow, it locks in on the back of it. Wow, that thing is beautiful. Piece of art. Another one. There's the name of it. I can't pronounce that name, but there you go. This is called funny folder. It's super lightweight. Definitely nothing fast about this knife. Probably gonna close it this way. The sharp edge down that way, boom, and it kind of lock in over here. That is one of a kind, beautiful knife for sure. Like that one a lot. Got it here, Quartermaster collaboration with Hawk knives. So there's the looks like 180 out of 300. That's cool. So limited edition, and it's collaboration with Hawk, so that's why it's cool. It was kind of on sale, so I picked myself up one. So why do I like this? Because you open it kind of like with gravity or like with a flick. I noticed the best thing it works is like gravity. You see? You gotta be careful. Or you can flick it this way, but you really have to watch out, not hold on to this thing right here. When you hold it, only hold on to that part, because all that handle is movable. This is just so unique, one of a kind. And you have to do a little flick motion. Or just kind of point it down this way. You see why I call it a gravity knife? Because if I hold it this way, it'll never climb up. Got it here, magnetic knife. I never seen anything like that. This is by Winterblade. I'll put links in description for his Instagram. The creator was nice enough to send me the factor for free. So check this out. I'm pretty sure this is a pre-production. This is something like I never seen before. There is a push button right here and boom. And whenever you close it, it's like want to close because there is a magnet pulled on it. I never seen a magnetic knife before. Still got put a little bit of getting used to. But do you hear it? Ding! I love it. I guess it's hits right here. Every time. It's so unique. Look, I can even push it this way and it flies open. This button is not really a safety, it's just to release the knife. So whenever you push it right here, you see it will adjust up and then you release it. And now it's down, you push it and it's up. Got it here, weirdest knife ever made by Boker. Boker-matic. There's little instructions. So let's see what it's all about. This is a little bit vintage knife. I had to pay for it $150 for a good condition knife. There's a lot cheaper ones, but look at that. It goes, slides this way. It's OTF knife and then it slides back in. And then you press it this way. Oh, it's supposed to fly back down. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a problem with that. Let's see if it slides out better. So you fold it this way, push it in and it locks in. And then the idea of it, you're supposed to be able to push it and it flies back in. So again, move the handle, align it with this little metal piece in there. Oh, too soon. Then lock it. Okay, makes sense. I think I know how it works. You unlock it, lock it, it locks in by itself, the handle, and then you press this way, it resets it, then you kind of let it hit a little bit and it flies down, and then you lock it. 1, 2. Wild Street, weirdest knife ever made. Let's see what it's all about. So there's little instructions right here because look at that knife. So there is a pulley and there is a pulley over here. So this is how you open it. Pull it over here and finish it like that with the second finger. Sounds like a little bit of a pain to do it, but let's try it. So pull it. We're done right here. Now cannot pull it anymore. Now just finish it off right here. Boom. And you got yourself a knife. Guess you can hold it like that. Not the most comfortable knife. Oh, there you go. It's locked in. So there's a lock in the back over here. But yeah, this kind of funky knife over here. Ah, my finger got stuck. A hollow blade over here. Pretty thick. It's not sharp on this end, just a little bit. It is sharp edge. But yeah, how do we close this? Just pull right here and just close it in. There's some markings on it. Wild State 3C window breaker. You see it? Quite unique. There's a clip, pretty tight. Can I pull it just to here? I don't think so. Can I pull it just to here? Maybe. Yeah, there you go. So there's 3 ways to open it. There's 3 different pulleys. Let's close it one more time. You see, you can pull it over here and then finish it like that. Just gotta pull it all the way till it locks in. There you go. Or let's close it, it's quite tight. You can pull it from here, you see that little notch, all the way over. Probably not gonna be able to do this because this will hit my finger. So it's just way too uncomfortable. You just pull it like this and pull it one more time. I think this is the most comfortable way to do it. Let's see if there's more instructions or different ways to open it. Yep. So you can pointy finger and finish it with the pointy finger. You see it? Or you can go like that. That is so weird. I've never seen a locking mechanism like that before. Oh look, it's also left-handed as well. So yeah, open it, and my left hand don't want to work that well, and open it. So complete mirror. Probably this is definitely the easiest way to open it right here, as you can see. 1, 2.